Earth, the one unique planet among billions of stars in our galaxy, is the only planet we know that is hospitable for lives. And us, lives on Earth, are the only known lives in our galaxy. For hundreds of years, we've been asking this one question: are we alone? Are there extraterrestrial lives? Back to the ancient times, 10th century or even before, extraterrestrial lives are appearing in religions or traditional tales. The 14 locusts of Hindu cosmology, the 9 worlds of Old Norse mythology, the tale of bamboo cutters from Japan, and the goodness chance flight to moon from China all mention extraterrestrial lives outside Earth, from moon or other worlds. By the invention of telescope and the Copernican assault on geocentric cosmology, countless bodies among Earth are found in the universe. The theory of extraterrestrial life had become a topic in the scientific community. The 16th century philosopher Giordano Bruno argued for an infinite universe in which every star is surrounded by its own planetary systems. Many literature pieces at that time are wrote to describe the writer's opinion of extraterrestrial society, like Democritus Platonisms or an essay upon the infinite worlds, 1647. Many 18th, 19th century astronomers were convinced that the solar system and perhaps others would be well populated by alien lives. Even sun and moons were once candidates for extraterrestrial lives. However, speculations about life on Mars increased in the late 19th century, followed by published books like The Worlds of the World in 1897 by H. J. Wells and spectroscopic analysis of Mars atmospheres in 1894 by U.S. astronomer William Wallace Campbell. The science fiction genre, although not so named during the time, also developed during the late 19th century. Jules Verne's Around the Moon, 1870, and Garrett P. Service, Edison's Conquest of Mars, 1897, marked the beginning of the 20th century science fiction pop culture. Life on Mars was still speculations even until now. Liquid water we believe once exists on Mars, and scientists were working to find liquid water on Mars beneath its surface. Laboratory tests abroad, NASA's Phoenix Mars landers had identified water in soil samples by July 2008. Dried up riverbeds, polar ice caps, volcanoes, and minerals that formed in the presence of water have all been found as evidence that Mars had a warmer and wetter past. On December 9, 2013, NASA reported that, based on evidence from Curiosity study, contained an ancient freshwater lake that could have been a hospitable environment for microbial life. And on July 24, 2014, NASA reported that current study on the planet Mars by the Curiosity and the Opportunity rovers will now be searching for evidence of ancient. Mars were not the only speculation planetary in the solar system. Jupiter's moon Europa and Saturn's moon Titan were two other speculations. The case of life on Europa was greatly enhanced in 2011 when it was discovered that vast lakes exist within Europa's thick icy shell, and an alternate explanation for the hypothetical existence of microbial life on Titan has already been formally proposed, hypothesizing that microorganisms could have left Earth when it suffers a massive asteroid or comet impact and survived a journey through space to land on Titan. However, we were also looking for extraterrestrial life outside solar system. NASA launched Kepler Space Telescope in 2009 as an observatory in space dedicated to find alien planets outside solar system that are around the same size as Earth in the habitable regions of their parent star. In just the first 16 months of operation, Kepler has discovered 2,326 potential planets. Kepler 22 was the first exoplanet discovered by Kepler. It may have liquid water on it like Earth, making it our closest possible sister planet. Kepler 16b, the most Neptune-like planet yet found, although it circles two suns. The planet is thought to be extremely cold and has a gas-low surface.